Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to fill up Malaysia Digital Arrival Card when you travel to Malaysia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when you travel to Malaysia, apart from such exceptions, if you are a foreign visitor, you have to register and fill up this income digital arrival card. Okay. So I have opened this site. Of course, I would suggest steps are given here, but before you go and register yourself, see if you fall into the exception or not. See, all foreign citizens must do this. Starting 1st January this year, it's mandatory, but there are exceptions. If you're citizen of Singapore, diplomatic or official passport holder, uh, you can just read this here. If you fall under Thailand border pass holder, and a lot of other exceptions. If you fall there, you don't have to. And also they have like auto gate facilities too. Okay. They have given information about that also. If you want to take a look at. All right. So here on the side, they have two links. Malaysia auto gate facilities. And this one is for foreign visitor, whichever is applicable. Click on register. So this is just a single page form, nothing you need to worry about. Name as per your passport, passport details, date of birth, nationality, gender, passport is like email address, phone number with ISD code. So like if you're coming from Canada, just put one. Okay, like if you're coming from India, 91. And then your mobile number based on the location from where you are coming. Your number belongs to. Traveling information within 3 days, right? So if you open now, you see only 3 days uh, option is there. Mode of travel, how you are coming in, date of departure when you leave the country, where you're gonna stay, whichever you do, you fill up all this information, that's it. And then you click on submit and it will be submitted. Okay. Now, so that's how it works, guys. It's very simple. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.